Hey everyone, I'm Moneymake, and let's talk about the future. Artificial intelligence is changing the world faster than ever before, and by 2025, some jobs we thought were safe might disappear completely. In today's video, we'll uncover the top 5 jobs most at risk of being replaced by AI. We'll talk about specific roles, the technology behind the change, and what it all means for you. And if you're in one of these fields, don't panic. We'll show you how you can adapt and stay on top. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and let's get started. In 5th place, we have data entry clerks. Data entry has always been about speed and accuracy, right? But the game has changed. Thanks to tools like OCR, think instant digitizing of paper documents, and AI-powered form readers, the manual part of data entry is disappearing. Then we have automation bots like UiPath. These aren't just scripts, they learn and adapt to complex data entry tasks. We're talking 24/7 operation, no typos, and they're way faster than any human could ever be. In just the last 3 years, data entry jobs have dropped by over 25% globally. That's huge. But here's the thing. This isn't the end, it's an evolution. Instead of seeing this as a dead end, think of it as a turning point. Want to stay in the game? Learn how to use these automation platforms. Become the one who designs the workflows, manages the bots, and ensures data integrity. There's also a growing need for data quality analysis. AI can process the raw information, but it takes human intuition to spot inconsistencies and make sure the data is relevant. That's where you come in. Up next, call center agents. This is a sensitive topic for many. We've all interacted with those automated menus, right? Press 1 for billing, press 2 for, the drill. But AI takes this to a whole new level. Modern AI, and I'm talking about ChatGPT, Google Duplex, even 11 Labs Voice AI, can now handle customer service with almost human-like fluency. They understand context, can answer complex questions, and sound incredibly natural. Hello, thank you for calling. How can I help you today? See what I mean? And here's the kicker. These AI agents are constantly learning. They adapt to different customer personalities, they never get tired, and they're available 24/7. But hold on, before you panic, remember what I said about evolution. It's not about replacement, it's about enhancing your skills. Instead of answering calls, think about training these AI bots. Become an AI bot supervisor, perfecting their responses, managing their knowledge base, and making sure they provide a great customer experience. Or, go even further and become a customer journey analyst. Use data to understand customer behavior and design smooth interactions that AI can power. And let's be real, there will always be a need for high-level technical support that requires human expertise. Chapter 3. Content Creation, AI versus Human. Editors and copywriters, are you still with me? Because this might sting a little. Surprised? You shouldn't be. AI tools like Jasper, Copy.ai, and even ChatGPT can now write whole articles, product descriptions, and marketing copy, all in just a few seconds. Think about that for a second. What used to take hours of brainstorming, research, and writing can now be done with a few clicks. And the quality, it's getting scary good. Over 70% of marketers are now using AI for some type of content creation. This isn't a trend, it's a revolution. But here's the key takeaway. The writers who will succeed in this new world aren't the ones fighting against AI, but the ones who embrace it. They're using these tools to boost their productivity, overcome writer's block, and scale their output like never before. Picture this. You're a writer working on a big project. Instead of spending days researching, you use AI to gather key information and generate first drafts. Suddenly you have more time to focus on the things AI can't replicate. Your unique voice, your creativity, and your ability to connect with the reader on an emotional level. Writers who collaborate with AI instead of opposing it create 3 times more content and scale their income. They become strategic directors, guiding the AI, refining its output, and focusing on the high-value tasks that truly require a human touch. Chapter 4. Graphic Design, Evolve or Disappear. In 2nd place, we have graphic designers, especially those in junior or freelance roles. Design has always been a competitive field, but AI is changing the game in a big way. With tools like Canva Magic, Midjourney, and DALL-E, anyone with a laptop and an internet connection can now create logos, social media posts, and even entire websites. I'm talking about people with no design experience generating professional-looking images in minutes. Remember those late nights you spent trying to get that perfect font pairing or color palette? AI doesn't sleep, doesn't get frustrated, and can produce hundreds of variations while you make a cup of coffee. That's the reality, but here's the good news. This doesn't mean the death of graphic design, but the rebirth of the graphic designer. The key is to shift your focus from execution to strategy. Instead of being just an executor, become a creative director. Understand the brand, the target audience, and the message, then use AI as a tool to bring that vision to life. Focus on UX/UI design, where user experience and interface design are paramount. These fields require a deep understanding of human behavior and how people interact with technology, something AI is still figuring out. And never underestimate the power of storytelling and brand identity. These are areas where human creativity and emotional intelligence will always be in high demand. Chapter 5. The AI Assistant Friend or Foe. And in the number 1 spot, administrative assistants. This one seems obvious, but the speed and scale of this transformation are mind-blowing. Why are administrative roles in danger? Because AI is now managing schedules, emails, reminders, and even taking meeting notes, often better than humans. Think about it. Tools like Microsoft Copilot are seamlessly integrated into the apps you use every day. Need to schedule a meeting? Copilot scans everyone's calendar and finds a time that works. Drowning in emails? AI can prioritize them, flag important messages, and even draft replies for you. Then we have Notion AI, which is like having a super-powered secretary by your side. It can listen in on meetings, create summaries, and even pull out the key action items. And let's not forget about AI-powered virtual assistants. They book travel, manage expenses, and take care of all those tedious tasks that used to eat up hours of your day. But here's the thing, it's not about being replaced by AI, it's about using AI to become indispensable. Don't just be an assistant, be a super-powered coordinator. Learn how to manage remote teams across different time zones, become an expert in using and integrating AI tools, or evolve into a virtual operations manager, streamlining workflows and optimizing efficiency for entire organizations. Outro, the future is now. Adapt, learn, thrive. So here it is, the top 5 jobs that AI is rapidly changing. But here's the big picture. AI isn't here to destroy jobs, it's here to reshape them. Those who adapt, learn, and lead will thrive in the future of work. The key takeaway? Don't be afraid to embrace these changes. Learn about AI, experiment with new tools, and focus on developing uniquely human skills, like creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Let's grow smarter together.